The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Wagwan. Good day. I go by the name of Baby Cham, and I got a few things I want to address. Becoming an artist was solely to provide entertainment to the world through my music. Never would I once imagine that I would take on the responsibilities of a country's governing body or parenthood for an entire nation. From where I stand, as someone from the inner city, the ghetto, and a public figure, I have observed where poverty, poor leadership, illiteracy, and lack of opportunities for the Jamaican youths are the top 4 contributors for the country's high crime rate, not the music. Let us take it a bit further. Are we going to slam or blame Netflix, who is one of the world's top streaming platforms, for violent contents in the same breath? Or are we going to remove data from everyone's smartphones and their homes? Come on. Therefore, it begs to ask the question, is audio communication more effective than video communication? If yes, then it is with great honor that I will lobby for myself and my fellow artists, which are my brothers, to take over the government of Jamaica, so we can finally, through our music, bring some order and restoration to the country. Mr. Prime Minister, did your conclusion arrive from study done, or did it arrive from guilt of mismanagement over the years? People who are already prone to violence and have violent behaviors will always trigger by anything that mimics that their thought, and such. It is easy to conclude that visual or audio is what caused the person to become violent. Not because the conclusion is an easy way out. That means we should use it to mask the real issue at hand, which is poverty, poor leadership from both government and parenting, illiteracy, and lack of communication and opportunities for the youths. An artist is a mirror of society. Whatever society reflects, we tend to reflect it back with music, melodies, and words. If you take away the art from the artist, then you take away the artistry, and then you will have no artist. So please, listen to what the people of the country is really saying, and do the right job, and do the right work. Bless you.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a musician who goes by the name of Cham. Some persons might also call him Baby Cham, right? And in that video, Cham talk about the country of Jamaica and other things as well, you see? And in my point of view, I think that the things he said had been properly put together. You see? Yeah, and I also think that he made some valid points as well too, you see? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that Cham said, you see? Now, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And the next video I'm going to present to you, this video has been talked about on social media because of some things that have been shown and said in this video, you see? This video shows many persons inside of a church that is located somewhere out there in the world. You see, I don't have any confirmed information as to where or when this video has been recorded. But however, this video shows a person playing the Jesus role and carrying something that resembles the cross. You see me? And someone took something and hit the person who was carrying the thing that resembles the cross. And then the person who was carrying the thing that resembles the cross got upset. And I'm going to leave it right there and present the video to you. I'm not going to explain every single thing about this video to you, but however, you can let me know what you think about this video, alright? And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Jesus! If not so, it's not possible to die again.
Viewers and subscribers, I would be upset too. Yeah, I would be upset too, and I would leave as well too. You see? I think that is bad acting. No, sir. How can you hit someone so hard when you should be acting? Eh? The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show something that happened within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. This video is going to show a conflict between police officers and citizens within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. See? Now, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video or the incident, and according to some things that have been shown and said in the video, it is said that at least one person had been arrested by the police. And in the video, I heard when at least one person said police brutality. So I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Trinidad and Tobago this video had been recorded. You see me? And I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to please bear in mind that this video shows persons yelling and shouting at police officers within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Watch all you. Look how my sister and them getting on. Watch how my sister and them getting on. Watch my sister how she getting on. Them lock up my sister because she cursing in she yard. Right? Right? Look, police brutality. Police brutality. Police brutality. I go on social media. Social media. You're in your yard and you're cutting and you're getting locked up. You're in your own yard and you're using obscene language. Social media. I go and post up this. I go in and post up this. You know how to make shit she yard cursing and they come and lock she up. I go and post this on social media. You feel a joke or what? She yard. I know one side of the road they could do you something, but you the car lock you up in your yard for cursing. That's your yard. I posted all this. I posted all of them. Right? I posted all of them. I go and post this on social media now and show Facebook police brutality. Yeah, wave, I not wave.
I will never forget what you do me. I swear to God, I'll never forget what you do me.
What you do here?
He pushed me down.
And my daughter pregnant?
Pushed me down here and playing, you know.
Well, right, we going and make a report. I tape in your face, we going and make a report. He push you and you're pregnant. Right? My daughter pregnant and a police officer push her. I making a report. Let me see what you're going and do. My daughter pregnant and you push my daughter.
Right.
Watch my daughter hand. Social media. My daughter is pregnant and this police officer here pushed down my daughter and she pregnant. Right? What you think they should do about it? What you think they should do about it? My daughter pregnant and all they push she down. Okay? I want to go in the station now.
You can record my shower. You push me down. You push me down, but don't worry, God don't sleep. God don't sleep. You see a black like your mask?
My daughter pregnant. You hear that? Megan, you ain't seen her push down vaccine? What she's scared? She pregnant. She pregnant. And the push it. This one here.
Then throw me down. I very sad. That one in blue throw me down. He watch me and push me down.
No, anything should have happened. I want to see what they tell me.
I tell the man throw me down. The man, that man in blue push
And
me down.
and Lexine pregnant, eh? And Lexine pregnant.
Push me down. And then they
Let me be.
oh, easy inspector.
And what?
Push me down. Push me down.
No, well, I take pen too. I take pen too.
He pushed me down.
Mommy, you hear that? This one in blue push down Lexine. Lexine pregnant and he pushed down my child.
And push me down. The
What's
man push
Lexine
me
hand?
down. The man push
What's
me
Lexine
down.
hand? That one in blue.
One in blue.
I go in and make a report. I am going and I come in and make a report in Sour Hill. I don't care about
Push me
that.
down. Right? I never
I don't care. I come in and make a report.
push me down.
Lexine Dyer.
Saying that you push me, I will be making a report on you. Don't worry.
Yes, she making a
Don't
report.
worry.
Yes, I bring in my child to make a report. I stupidness. Well, they're pushing down people and people pregnant. Well, they are not regard.
In people place.
She was a triad. Yeah, they had to lead them to Jesus, girl. Pray. You just have to pray on them. Pray, pray, pray. That is what you have to do. Come, let me go in Sour Hill. Yeah, Richard started a call. I'm going to go down the station now. Because I want the canal with that. I want that. And I know nobody can lock me up.
Them few people don't know the right.
This, watch your belly. Watch your belly. But he pushing you down. Anything should have happened with you and this baby, they would have know. I would have make sure you go to court and I would have swim for real body. You pushing on my child. Imagine them start peeing a 3-year-old baby. You see all this sick. You see all this sick.
Oh, you only come down and do with
Yeah,
that.
because there's a them running from out there. There's a them running.
Oh, you running.
Like
Oh,
bullets.
you running when the big people come out. But they know who's around. Oh, they know who's around.
Richard, them can't do me nothing, you know, because me using obscene language, I speaking freedom of speech. I know my rights. Let them lock me up for just talking now.
Don't know be the beat some people them say, and they can record my mother how much you can she ain't doing you nothing.
That ain't nothing. You want a picture? I'm a pose? Come. Which way you want to take?
Viewers and subscribers, you see, if a police officer actually pushed down a pregnant woman, I think it is bad. I think it is bad, and that is if that happened. You see me? Alright. Anyways, you know, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Alright, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla, you know? Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.